Hello everyone, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel which is Tech Towards. So in this video we are going to create a replication of a virtual machine by using the capture feature in Azure, right? So before going to start this video, things should be known. What is capture feature in Azure VM? So the capture feature in Azure is used to create a generalized image of a virtual machine which can be which can then be used to create new virtual machine with the same configuration. This is especially useful when you want to replicate a virtual machine setup across multiple instances or environment. Also, I have mentioned why use capture feature and why not use the capture feature. You can read it later. This is quite interesting too. So let's go to the main topic. So let me tell you, this website is created by me. So I have created 4 steps to complete this task. We will start from the step 1, use the capture feature, then use your image uses option and configure image versioning, and in the final step create a VM from the captured image by following all the sub points. So without going to waste any time, let's move for our demonstration. So now we are here. Let's go to the your virtual machine and select your virtual machine. I have already created a virtual machine, and just see here we have a capture option. So before going to do this activity, let me show you what I'm getting in my public IP address. So this is the like output I'm getting on my virtual machine public IP. It's welcome to virtual machine 1. Why I'm showing to you, once we will restore our virtual machine, the same output will be there. So that's why I'm going to show you. And one more recommendation thing here. So before going to use Azure capture feature, we have to stop our current like virtual machine. So I'm going to stop it. So the virtual machine is going to be stopped. Okay. So our VM is stopped. Now we can use the capture feature. Just click on capture and click on image. And here you have to mention the subscription and resource group. I have already selected. If you haven't created yet, then just click on create. And reason is Asia Pacific. Yes, share it to the gallery as VM version. So this is the target Azure compute gallery. I have not created any gallery yet. Just click on create. So write your gallery name. This is my gallery 01. And here there are two options. One is generalized and another one is specialized. So what is the generalized image? Generalized image created from this image require host name, admin username, and other VM related setup to be completed on first boot. So that means if you will if you use the generalized option, so whenever you will restore your virtual machine, it will ask you again your host name, admin user, password, and other VM related setup thing. So we are not going to use this thing. We are going to use specialized. In specialized, the virtual machine are completely configured and we do not require any parameters such as host name and admin and password like thing. So target VM image definition. So again we have to create it. The target definition. So just write your VM definition name. So I'm going to use VM definition is 01, and then simply click on OK. And after that we have to write the version detail here. So I'm going to write my image version is 0001, and here is end of live date. So if you will mention the end of live date of your virtual machine, the virtual machine will be uh, like expire on that day. So I'm not going to use this option at this moment. So just go down and click on review and create. So first it will validate, and validation has been passed, and I'm going to click on create. So this process is going to be create and it will take few minutes to be completed. Once it will be complete, I will show you the output. So the deployment is completed and it took almost 10 to 12 minutes to be complete. And let's go to the dashboard and right click here virtual machine, and here you need to click on your virtual machine, and then here you will need to select no, just go to the notification tab and go to the resource group. Here you will see your all the resource we have been created: Azure Virtual Guide and image version 1. So this is our virtual machine, like snapshot we have created. And now what we will do, we will restore this option as we have already mentioned on this. So this the fourth step we are going to follow. So click create VM for the image resource. So let's go, just select your instance. You just click on your VM you have selected. So this is our VM 001, and just click on create VM. Now I'm going to restore the virtual machine. Just click on create and select everything. The virtual machine is VM restored. Then leave as default. And here you can see this is the image thing, gallery 01 v1 definition 001. So it already took that image. So whenever you will click on review and create, the virtual machine will be creating, and you will find all your existing data. Like, so it's done.